What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to download and install Mozilla Firefox on your Windows PC. To start, open any web browser on your PC. In the search bar, type Firefox download and hit enter. Look for the official Mozilla website, which should be one of the top results, and click on it. Once you're on the Firefox download page, click the Download Firefox button. This will begin downloading the Firefox installer file to your computer. Once the download is complete, open up your Downloads folder and find the downloaded file. Double-click the Firefox installer to start the installation process. If you see a User Account Control or UAC prompt, click Yes to allow the installation. The installer will now set up Firefox automatically, and within a few moments the installation will be completed. At this point, you can close the browser you used for downloading and open Firefox for the first time. From here, you can set it as the default browser. Sign into a Mozilla account to sync bookmarks and settings, and start browsing. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.